Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make nachos from leftover roti. First, gather your ingredients, including any leftover roti you have on hand. This creative recipe is a fantastic way to give new life to your flatbreads, turning them into a delightful and unexpected snack. It's a simple process that yields incredibly flavorful results, perfect for a quick bite or sharing with friends. Get ready to enjoy a unique culinary experience with minimal effort. Now, let's prepare our roti chips, the foundation of our nachos. Take your leftover roti and cut each one into 8 equal triangular pieces, just like traditional tortilla chips. Next, lightly brush both sides of these roti triangles with a small amount of olive oil. Arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and perfectly crispy. With your crispy roti chips ready, it's time to load them up with your favorite toppings. Think classic nacho ingredients like a generous layer of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. You can also add seasoned ground beef, chicken, or black beans for a heartier meal. Don't forget fresh elements such as pico de gallo, creamy guacamole, and a dollop of sour cream. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro and sliced jalapenos will add a wonderful kick and vibrant color. Finally, let's assemble and bake our incredible roti nachos. On a baking sheet, arrange a layer of your crispy roti chips. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded cheese over the chips, followed by your chosen toppings like seasoned meat or beans. Repeat these layers if desired. Bake the assembled nachos in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve hot and enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.